Guys, narito po tayo, Pasay Adventist Church. Titignan na natin bago magsimula yung program. Ito yung palibot ng Pasay Adventist Church. Yan, pasilip lang muna tayo, kaunti. Ito yung upuan para sa mga choir and other strings and orchestra, mga kaibigan. Ito pa yung reserved for ministry heads. Ito pa yung communications team. Yes, pamamagitan ni Mark David Barona. Ito po yung pamalakas ng mga equipment. Yan po yung mga audience and yung mga worshippers. Maya-maya, that's it for all. Yan, shout out kay Mamueno na Credo. Yan, kay Princess Vidal. At sa marami mga nakasubaybay sa atin sa Facebook at sa YouTube. Sa TikTok, thank you very much. Mabuhay. Buhay po kayo hanggang kailan nyo gusto.
Thank you so much for remembering my husband. Really, matapang ako, pero tutukin na lang. Salamat po. It's just really been the dream of my husband and myself to really support the seafarers even before, because my husband is a seafarer himself. Most of my clients are seafarers, and we both know really the plight of this very special group of people. So, Pasay Adventist Church, thank you very much, and I would continue whatever my husband's ministry has been continuing on, whether inside this church or outside this church. Thank you, Pasay Adventist Church.
Thank you, PAC Maswar, for that message and song. Likewise to our brothers and sisters from the APN, Adventist Possibility Ministry, for sharing with us through actions, interpreting the message of the song this morning. God is good all the time. God is indeed good, my dear friends. For God has given us this sacred Sabbath day for us to come together, to fellowship, and above all, to worship God in His holiness. We thank you, Pastor Edmar and Madam Ray, for inviting me to grace our celebration of God's goodness today, as this is my first time to stand before you for the second service, and it's a joy indeed to be standing before the people of God today. We never thought of coming back to the mainland Manila. My wife and I have served Palawan for 50 years as the president of the mission. We have learned to love the people. We have learned to love the simple life and beautiful island, which to us is the most beautiful island in the world. We decided to stay there for good and the time until the Lord comes. As what I've said, we never expected again to come to Manila, as we do not intend anymore, maybe for a visit, but to stay for good. Palawan, as far as we are concerned, is the best place to live on earth. As there is no storms and there is no earthquake. So if you so decide to go, choose to stay for good until the Lord comes, Palawan is the best. I'm not promoting Palawan, of course, but I've learned to love the place so much. We thought of stepping down after serving the church for 40 years. My wife and I decided to step down at the end of 2025 even though we are not yet due for the mandatory retirement. But as far as the years of service is concerned, we are qualified to retire even today.